Fun fact, do you know that Target owns Shipt? Hey, I'm Patricia, here with the Rideshare Guy. And in today's video, I am going to talk to you about Shipt, the delivery app. I have been doing Shipt for a while now, and I really enjoy it. I love these type of delivery apps because I'm able to do one, maybe one day, or do all of them on the same day. It's all up to you and your schedule. The way to offset your money now is to do some deliveries and still pick up some people at the same time, or you can do straight deliveries. But with Shipt, there are so many ways that you can deliver or choose to shop and deliver. So in this video, I'm going to show you the application process using a mobile phone. I am also going to show you how we get an order, what I did when I was on my order, and how to complete the order, along with a few other tips. Stay tuned. Follow me. Reading this article by Millennial Money Man, where it talks about the 13 best delivery apps you can make up to $200 a day. I observed that Shipt ranked in 5th place. They even show you the pros and cons. Don't worry, you can get assistance from store associates. You are not out there alone. So you download the app so you can start the application. You can make up to $22 an hour working for Shipt. And here's where you fill out your personal information. You have about 8 questions. I showed you a few of the sample questions that they ask you. The age, the year of your car. Then you have the written response. Here's a sample of what the written response looks like. Easy responses. Identify yourself by clicking record and follow the steps. Then submit the video. After that, you'll need to do an agreement and complete the W-9 form. Acknowledge the background check. Complete the insurance information section. If chosen, you will need to wait for your merch, which doesn't take long to receive. You'll receive communication via email from Shipt. Once you receive your t-shirt and credit card, you use the card at the checkout when you take an order that requires you to pay. They recommend that you wear your t-shirt, but it's not mandatory. It's time to get started. We need to fill out the following information here. Bank information. Set up the Shipt app. It lets you know there's no order to claim yet. Our help check here. Now let's get ready to set up our zones. These are the areas on which I'm selecting. And I'm going to select some times that I'm interested in working. And then this is how you get started with placing an order. I'm going to select the order. So you select the claim button. Oh man, this one is taken. Okay, let's try another one. Now I'm going to try this one here, Target. You hit claim the order and it's processing. It is successful. Now let's look at the shopping list and go shopping. Numbers tell you how many items per listing. It even shows you where it's located in the store. You'll find the items, then take a picture of the barcode on the shelf. Hit found and it'll automatically go into the cart. Go to checkout, swipe your card. Here are all the products. Take a picture of the receipt. Never give the receipt to the customer. Confirm the amount on the app. This is the amount the customer sees. Now let's drop off the items. I took a picture of the items for my records. Here's what I got paid for this trip, plus a tip. I communicated with the customer during the trip. You have the option to do delivery only, so you don't have to do just shop and delivery. You can go to the order label and filter out what type of orders you'll be interested in. You get paid every week on a Friday via direct deposit, and Instapay is available. I do want to mention that Shipt does not reimburse for mileage. So you will need to track and file your own mileage. Be sure to look at some of our previous videos about mileage tracking to help you while you're doing this app. Now, unlike other apps, they do track your mileage, but this one doesn't. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like and comment and share because we upload new content every week. Until next time, bye, because I gotta go get another order.